Hey everybody, Heather from Pickin here. This is where it all began. We're going to kind of discuss how it all started for us in this business and the progression of where we are now. Alright, so a lot of you have expressed interest in how did we even get started. And so we're actually on vacation this week, and so we wanted to give you kind of some background things of how we got everything started. So I'm currently in my dining room. This is a cool wood piece that I'm going to brag on James. James made in wood shop for my Mother's Day gift one year. So he's very talented. He can pack your boxes and make wood carvings. Alright, so this is where we started everything. Paul would go to all the thrift stores and all that fun stuff. He would go to Savers, Goodwill, Salvation Army, go to the Goodwill outlet. He would come home, pile it all on this table, and then I would go through it, take pictures of it, list it, all that fun stuff on Poshmark, eBay, Amazon, all sorts of different places. And so that's kind of how it started. And we went from basically doing this, I think it started in our old house on our dining room table, to this dining room table. Then we moved out into our sunroom into a 200 square foot space. Then we moved into the warehouse that a lot of you have seen us film in before, that was 720 square foot. We always had the big, huge Hooked on Pickin banner behind us. And now we went from dining room to 200 square feet to 720 square feet, all the way to 5,000 square foot retail space. So we've progressed quite a bit. We also wanted to let you guys know that because we're on vacation, enjoying the beach, we are giving you guys a promo code. So if you go to hookedonpickin.com right now, and it's actually on my shirt, hookedonpickin.com, right now, and type in the promo code in your cart, BEACH, B-E-A-C-H, you'll get 20% off every single thing in the Hooked on Pickin store. And yes, that does include all the brand new stuff that we just recently put on, such as all of our lawn and garden stuff. Just note that we added some new categories. So we've got a tool category, we've got a lawn and garden category, we've got a kitchen category, a home decor category, all sorts of fun categories. So check those all out, as well as the ones, our old faithful categories, such as fun finds and clothing and handbags and purses and all those other fun things. So we wanted to just let you know that it started by just basically going and buying the one or two items from a thrift store. And Paul is behind the camera too, and he was the main picker of the Hooked on Pickin team. That's his MO. He loves the thrill of the hunt. I'm like, just bring me the stuff so we can make the money. That's kind of where I was. I still, even to this day, am not a huge fan of going out into retail spaces or thrift stores and going and finding the things. I want to list it and then figure out a way to price it, sell it, do all the research. Like, I really enjoy actually researching all the stuff and being able to find a way to, make a great deal for you guys and finding the best deal of things to buy. So that's kind of, even now, he picks pallets to be purchased and shipped to our location. So that's kind of how we started on Hooked on Pickin, and it's been a wild ride, and most of you have been along with us, and we want to say we appreciate you so much for always being here, and it's super fun to get to know you guys on a regular basis on our live streams that we do. But again, we're going to give you guys a bonus since we're on the beach. 20% off the entire Hooked on Pickin store, and that's all the way through the end of our vacation, which will be Monday the 11th. So go ahead and put in the promo code BEACH, B-E-A-C-H, for 20% off the entire store. And of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.